Hello, my name's Stanley. Today I decided to test the capabilities of a simple yet powerful combination, the Bollinger Bands and the CCI. No complex algorithms, just pure classics. However, there's one important task: to identify moments when these indicators give a clear signal rather than just market noise. I have $8,020 in my account. It's not a huge amount, but it's enough to work without unnecessary pressure. I'd appreciate if you subscribe to my channel and like this video. My name's Stanley and I'm ready to begin. First, let's prepare the tools for work. And if you need a promo code for a bonus to your deposit, it's already waiting for you in the description. So, I choose classic candles and the time frame is 1 minute. Let's go to the Indicators tab and select the Bollinger Bands and the CCI. Let's configure the Bollinger Bands indicator first. Set period to 10. Deviation is 2. Go to Style. Disable Middle. Set the background to gray. Set top to red. Set the width to 2 and move opacity to the right. Set bottom to green. Set the width to 2 and move opacity to the right and save. Let's configure the CCI. Set period to 10. Go to Style. Set background to gray. Set main line to white and set the width to 2. Set line 100 to white. Set the width to 2. And move opacity to the right. Set line -100 to green, set the width to 2, and move opacity to the right. And save. So, the indicators are ready to go, and if you are trading on your phones, set them up the same way. First situation. The expiry time is 3 minutes. I'm opening a short trade for $2,000. Now I'll explain in detail how this strategy works and why I entered the market here. Look, the first signal comes from the CCI. When the white line of the indicator crosses the red line from top to bottom, it usually signals the beginning of a downtrend. This intersection shows that the upward movement is losing its strength and the market is entering a downward phase. When the CCI indicates a reversal, it's always an important indicator for deciding when to start selling. The second signal comes from the Bollinger Bands. It's quite simple. The candles touch the upper red border of the channel and begin to decline. When the price reaches the upper border and begins to roll back, this is a signal for a reversal and the beginning of a downward movement. Such a signal from the Bollinger Bands often heralds a correction or a trend reversal, especially if it's confirmed by other indicators. Yes, an excellent start. The first trade brought me a profit of $1,840. Let's continue. Friends, I'm gonna give you a rare opportunity to master the art of trading under my mentorship, and all this without any investment. If you want to trade shoulder to shoulder with me, here's what you need to do. Carefully study the description below this video, click the link and join our community, and send me a private message with the phrase "ready to join the team." You'll receive some practical recommendations which will help you to steadily increase your capital, and time is a factor. There are only 7 spots left to fill. So please click the link down below and write to me, ready to join the team, so you don't miss this chance. There's a clear signal. The expiry time is 3 minutes. I'm opening a long trade for $2,000. The chart is active and all indicators have worked accurately. Everything's going according to plan. When all technical tools confirm the same direction, it creates excellent conditions for entering the market with a high probability of success. The signals are synchronized, which gives confidence in the continuation of the trend. I recommend that you always trade only when both indicators simultaneously give you a signal in one direction. This is a key rule for avoiding false entries and increasing the likelihood of successful trading. If one indicator lags behind and gives a signal later than the others, it's better to wait until all analysis tools are synchronized and give the same direction. This will help you avoid risks and ensure more accurate market entries. Well, this trade closed in the black and I recorded another $1,840 in profit. An excellent result. Next opportunity. The expiration time is 3 minutes. I'm opening a short trade for $2,000. The indicators confidently confirm the entry and the chart shows a downward movement, which makes me feel absolutely confident about the correctness of my decision. All signals confirm that the downward movement will continue, and this creates excellent conditions for successful trading. Look, there was an upward impulse earlier, but then the chart stopped and touched the upper border of the Bollinger Bands. This is an important point because when the price touches the upper border of the channel and starts moving in the opposite direction, it often signals the end of the current impulse and the beginning of a correction or reversal. In this case, we see that after touching the upper border, the price began a downward impulse. This indicates that the uptrend has run out of steam and the market is now ready to move down. I think this downward impulse will continue and the market will develop a downward movement. Friends, if you still have questions after watching this video, be sure to send me a private message on Telegram and I'll be happy to help you. And here's another profit. The balance increased by $1,840. Let's keep working. A good moment to enter the market. The expiry time is 3 minutes. I'm opening a long trade for $2,000. There's some good momentum on the chart and all indicators give the green light. This is a confident entry, which is confirmed by strong signals from the market. When technical tools agree and confirm the same direction, it creates excellent conditions for a successful and profitable trade. This strategy works perfectly regardless of the time of day, morning hours, active daytime period, or quiet evening. It consistently gives clear signals at any time. This makes the strategy versatile and convenient, as there is no need to adapt to a specific trading session. You can trade when it's convenient for you and use it at any time, confidently receiving accurate signals. The versatility of this strategy allows you to work in different market conditions while maintaining stability and high signal accuracy. Great! I've earned another $1,840 and my total balance is now $15,380. Excellent trading session. Increasing your balance from $8,020 to $15,380 is a very good result. If you have any questions about the methodology itself or want to understand it more deeply, feel free to write to me on Telegram. I'll be happy to help you. Well, thank you very much for watching, liking and subscribing to the channel. My name's Stanley. See you soon and happy trading!